Okay, so now we are going to look into our assignment discussion.
Okay.
So we will now read the tasks carefully. I will explain command verbs, and then we look into adverb referencing, how the assignment has to be written. And then conclusively, we will look into formatting, how this assignment has to be formatted, with table of content and everything. Then we'll look into the workout and plagiarism.
Okay.
So whenever you write an assignment, there is an assignment declaration they need to download and fill in, where you just put your name, registration number, and the name of the unit, and at the end you put your signature.
Okay, you're gonna fill it out, right?
No, the student has to do it, because there will be.
Okay, so how do I fill it out exactly? Do I get the
These are Moodle. I think you should be able to see it at the top of Moodle. Or if you
okay.
can, if it's not there, then let me know, that I'll make one available. Okay,
Is the policy itself the declaration?
Sorry?
No, never mind. I got confused. Continue.
Oh, okay. So every assignment, you've been given a scenario, and then you have 3 to 4 tasks where you just have to write your documentation. And in this documentation, you're basically going to answer some questions. So maybe the documentation will ask you to explain some concept, or demonstrate, or maybe assess something. So that's basically related to command verbs. So
Right.
if I says explain, you have to explain. If you say this, define, you have to define. If you say describe, you have to describe. Make sense? Does it make
70
sense?
to 100 words. That's the.
No,
that's
this is
what we have.
example. No, this is example. It's example. Don't follow this.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are 3 types. We say tell you to explain.
So it could be more or less.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Our scenario says, you have recently joined a consultancy firm as an IT manager. Your company has recruited several IT apprentices. Your line manager has assigned you to provide training to the apprentices. So in this task, training handbook, your line manager has asked you to prepare a handbook with all the related information for the apprentice. So you have to create an instructions. So your handbook should include the following point. Part A, explain different type of computer system, evaluate the role of a computer system in different office environment, identify a range of computer systems that are commonly used in the office environment.
Right. Part A is
The documentation, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, handbook, yeah. Yeah.
Wait, part A is the handbook, or part A is the first part of the task?
This first part of the task.
Okay.
Yeah, so in the Word document, you just need to cover these tasks. Part B, so you have to discuss the common hardware and software components of a computer system. Evaluate the difference between open source and closed source software. Part C, analyze different operating systems and the suitability in managing resources in a professional work environment. Then, using example, describe the characteristic of different style of computer system user. Then evaluate suitable component to meet user requirement within a professional environment. Part D, configure a computer system. So learners should describe how to install hardware and software component in a standalone computer system. So if the assignment is completed in a classroom setting, this is based evidence with a physical demonstration and observational log. So in our case, we are distance learning, so you're not required to do this.
Oh, okay. So I don't have to do this yet because I was wondering how is this
No,
possible?
no, these are for face-to-face. Learner must use suitable safety equipment, tools, and pay due regards the health and safety issues. So let's ignore this. So yeah, you can, if you wish, include pictures as part of your research.
So this learners must use the suitable safety. What do you like? Is that part of the assignment?
Sorry?
Is if the assignment is completed online, this is best evidenced by writing a report describing the activity. This is like the above one. I don't need to do this, right?
No, no.
Okay, on to the next one.
Now, yeah, one training handbook, so you should be around 3,000 words. Then referencing, so make sure you use ATHE the referencing style, where you have a citation at in text citation. So at the end of each paragraph, you put the citation, and at the end of your whole assignment, you have to put a reference list. So you just put a list of reference of where you find the material.
What if it's all in my own words and I don't need to reference anything?
I would say try your best to do at least 5. 5 is not
5
a lot.
references.
Yeah, at least 5, a minimum of 5.
Okay, because
Make
okay.
your assignment a bit more credible. Then once this is done, you have to email it to learnerwork@ukversity.co.uk, or you can email it to me so I can review your assignment before you do the final submission. Okay. So
Okay, so submission
email,
is to the same exact email.
no, my email is victor@ukversity.co.uk.
Okay.
VICTOR. Well, let me put it in the chat.
So I send the submission to you, your email, not learner work at the university.
Is your final submission, but I want to review your assignment before you do the final submission.
Oh, okay.
Check on the chat. I'll just put down my email.
Right. Yeah, okay. I see it.
Yeah. So you first send it to me. I'll tell you what you need to improve. Then once you improve it, then you do your final submission. Okay.
Okay. The one thing I might need help with is the Harvard referencing style. It's kind of confusing. So
exactly. That's why I'm asking to first send it to me. So I'll see if you understand. Then I'll tell you what you're doing, how you're doing it. Then
okay, so I do everything else though, and then I send it to you. Give me your feedback. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thanks,
Let's do this,
Victor.
Yeah? Okay, no problem. Is there any question for me?
No, but if I like how to, like, if I'm reading the task and I don't understand like the question, can you like clarify it for me? But not answer the like do the test, but can you clarify for me so that I can understand what I can do?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
So I message you on WhatsApp, or should
WhatsApp.
be in a meeting next week?
Either way is up to you. So
okay. So next
feel.
week we don't have any classes. I have 2 weeks to do this assignment.
No, we have class on Tuesday. So while you're following along, you write the assignment, okay?
Right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Not Monday. I'm away on Monday. So our first class is on Tuesday. Did you receive
Tuesday.
the invite? Did you receive the invite on email?
Just give me a second.
Because if you haven't, then it means you receive them shortly.
No, but I wait. July 27th. Where is it? August 1st, right? It's Monday. It's Tuesday, right?
Yes, exactly. So we have a new unit, yeah.
Okay, let me just add the August 1st. Right, okay, no problem, I got it. I'll be
Okay.
at that link. I'll register the link and I'll wait for you.
Okay, okay.